Okay, do you want to lose weight and do you want to lose weight fast? What should you do? Cardio or resistance training? Stay with me. You go to the gym, you want to lose weight, and you get there, lots of treadmills, bicycles, cross trainers, and you also have dumbbells, barbells, resistance machines. Where should you go? First of all, you have to think which one you enjoy most, because the consistency is the key. So if you do something that you enjoy, you're gonna do that consistently, and it means that you're gonna be burning more calories in a long run. If you do something that you don't like, it won't gonna last long and you're gonna give up. Do something that you like, or do the best thing in a way that you like to do it. You cannot exercise a bad diet. The most important thing I would advise you is to think about your diet. What do you eat? When you're gonna eat? How you're gonna manage to do your exercise and your eating? And which one will be the best way for you to be eating if you want to lose weight. Combined with your diet, you should think about which kind of exercise you should do. So first thing, do whatever you enjoy, as I said. If you enjoy running, go and run. If you enjoy lifting, go and lift some weights. If you enjoy do class, so go to as many classes as you can. The second option, cardiovascular training. Cardiovascular training, it's very good for your heart, for your lungs, for your endurance, so you're gonna be able to exercise for longer, which give us two perspectives. Because you increase your endurance, it means that at the beginning, you're gonna be burning a lot of calories when you start to do the exercise. But our bodies are very clever. After a while, your body will be more efficient during the exercise. If you're doing cardiovascular training, you should consider to increase the distance or increase the intensity from time to time so you can get more benefits for the weight loss, as your body will be adapting and you're gonna be burning less calories to cover the same distance or the same time doing the same exercise. Another thing to consider when you're doing cardiovascular training would be that you're losing body mass. So you're not losing just fat. You're gonna lose fat, but you're also gonna catabolize some muscle mass. So you're gonna be losing muscle mass as well. You're probably gonna lose some toning, you're gonna lose a bit of the shape. Although your weight in the scale will be going down, you're not gonna be burning just fat during your workout. You're also gonna be losing some muscle mass. Even people that run marathons or people that they do cycling, they do resistance training to keep the muscle mass and reduce the risk of injuries. That's something that you should consider. Thinking about strength training, resistance training. When you do resistance training, you're gonna definitely burn less calories during the session than doing cardiovascular training. For example, someone that weighs 75 kilograms and they go on the treadmill for 45 minutes at a speed of 6 kilometers per hour, they're probably gonna be burning around 365 calories during that session. The same person doing a resistance training session at the same amount of time, they're probably gonna be burning half of it during the session. But, you have to think that when you do the resistance training, you also change your resting metabolic rate. Okay, André, what does resting metabolic rate means? Rest metabolic rate means that when you're resting, your body will be using more energy. By increasing your muscle mass and reducing your body fat, your body will need more energy just to be as it is. So just to be resting. So it means when you're resting, you're gonna be burning more calories. Overall, you're gonna burn less calories during the session, but after the session, you're gonna keep burning those calories. Your body will become a calorie burning machine. So André, doing strength training, it's better than doing cardiovascular training. I would say you have two spectrums. On one end, you have endurance training, running a marathon, doing the Tour de France. On the other end, you have 1 rep max, which will be powerlifting, squats, the heaviest squats or the heaviest press. So ideally, if you want to lose weight, you should be somewhere in between. Not on the endurance side or not on the 1 rep max. Which gonna judge where you should be on this scale would be the likability, as the first answer I gave. So if you like more running, probably you're gonna run more, but you should also consider do some resistance training. If you like lifting, you're probably gonna lift more, but you should not neglect the cardiovascular training. From my perspective, you should try to do both. Think about the benefits that both of them gonna bring to you. Cardiovascular training will increase your endurance. Resistance training will keep your shape, you keep your tone, and will help you to increase your resting metabolic rate. I'm looking forward to see you again. If you have any questions, please put it down. It will be a pleasure to help you. And let's exercise. Do whatever you like. Enjoy exercise, and the results will come, definitely. See you. Bye-bye.